Hello dear Aquarius, welcome to my channel and this is going to be your monthly reading for the month of August. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what information is coming out for you, whether that's your love, career, business, money, health. If there is nothing major, then maybe the cards will not show you that there is any health problem, right? So don't worry about that. Let's begin with your first week. You've got the Eight of Moons and the Moon card in your first week of August, which shows me that you are filled with a lot of doubt, fear, and of the outcome. Like there's something that you're waiting for, but somehow you are very fearful whether you should trust this choice or not, go with it or not. Whether that's your work or personal life, that depends on the energies that you're dealing with right now. Remember, this is a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Aquarius. I do see that there's somebody around you who's lying to you, somebody who is hiding a truth, somebody who doesn't have the best of the intentions for you. So you have to be very, very careful on who you are trusting, right? And especially if this is a choice that you're making which will impact your future, whether that's a job offer, whether that's a relationship offer, whether that's a marriage offer. Please be very, very careful. Only and only trust your intuition. This month, if you're going to trust your intuition, you will be guided by your higher wisdom. Even your dreams will be guiding you, so pay attention to that. You will know a lot about a person, right? Sometimes a person is pretending to be something they are not, right? So don't go by the face value. Listen to your intuition. If you think that there's something off, like this person is being too sweet or stuff like that, so listen to your intuition. It will guide you better than what people around you are saying. Maybe they also don't know, right? Maybe they are also judging someone on the basis of the face value when the reality is completely something else. So please make sure that you're using and choosing wisely. In the second week, you've got the Alchemist card and the Four of Suns. This tells me that you were an outdoorsy person, an adventurous person, but now you're tired. Now you want to settle down in life. Now you also want a partner, right? You also want to come back home to somebody. So you will be making a lot of changes around your life. You will start looking out for a partner in the form of relationships, live-in relationships or marriage. Or if you were away from your family for too long for your work, for your studies, you would want to go back home. So second week of August, I do see you spending a lot of time with your family, a lot of peaceful, happy time. Also reunion. This is also a card of reunion, like you're reuniting with old friends and family you haven't been in touch with for so long, right? This is a card of happy reunion. Also, this is a card of celebrating success. Maybe you have achieved something, now you're coming back home with that kind of success, and the people around you are celebrating you. Your society is very happy with you. You did something for the service of the society. You could be in defense as well, right? Or any service oriented field. I do see that as well. Very good energies, I must say. Let's see what your third week is telling us. You've got the Pope card and the Seven of Suns. Okay, I was trying to read and look for any alternative sign that is coming out for you, but the writing is quite tiny, so I cannot. Okay, Pisces has come out. Okay, but not necessary. You can have that in your own birth chart, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, or you're dealing with such a person, but not necessary. So with the Pope card and Eight of Suns, I do see that yes, you are like happy. There is a happy union happening for you. There is love. There is forward progress in your life. There is celebration coming for you in your life. Traditional ceremonies also. So you could be buying house, buying a car, making an investment, buying office as well, right? Some traditional ceremony, or you are traveling to a traditional to attend some traditional ceremonies, or to uh, traditional places of spirituality. It could be that as well. But no matter what, I do see a love around you. I do see peace and harmony around you. So if you think your relationship was off, if you think things were not very cordial between the two of you, peace and harmony will come back. Love will come back. Some of you will also find new love. So it's a very good card. Some of you will also be engaged or get married to somebody or finalize some things this week. So overall energy is very good. Okay. Yes, a lot of spirituality related stuff also is happening. In your last week of August, you've got the Four of Spades and the Prince card. very kind energies. Now, these energies, you could be doing a lot of charity or you're just very kind as a person. With the Prince energy, I can see that you are taking care of the people around you, your own family members, friends, children, spouse, or if you're an employer, you're taking care of your employees. Even if you have servants at home, they need money, you're helping them. If you're a boss, you're taking care of the team, right? No matter how much success you've got, no matter how much money you're earning, I do see that that hasn't really hit your head right now. Like you are still being very humble. You're still taking care of people. You're still being very kind. This is a very kind energy which will obviously help you gain a lot of respect from people. People look at you like a king. It will also bring you a lot of money, lot of success, lot of stability. Like people are blessing you and maybe that is why you're growing, right? So keep your energies up. Keep on doing the right things, helping people, doing charity, not necessary, but if you want to feed crows, animals, right? Or uh, give it to some ashrams and like stuff like that. But yes, this overall month is starting with a heavy energy of you being fearful and doubtful about something. But as you follow your intuition, you will automatically see that one after the other, your intuition will help you to connect the dots and reach the right path. So overall, it's a beautiful energy. If you loved this reading, if you resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know if you liked it. And yes, to claim this reading, you can always comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that all these positivities reach you faster. And this was a general reading. Remember, if you do not match your sun, moon, rising, you can always book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. If you have one question, my reading starts with 215 rupees only. You can ask a question of your choice. And if you think you have more than one question, I do have packages available for you where 4 questions plus a free remedy will be given to you. And all these packages are available under rupees 1000. Yes, you heard it right. Under rupees 1000 with a remedy of 251 rupees. Okay. And if you want to separately book a ritual, you can do that as well. If you think you need guidance and therapy, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well, where I will be giving you a remedy. And this is available in audio video call sessions, half an hour and 1 hour sessions as well, where you can come to me, share your problems, and I will be your mentor. Apart from this, I have a host of other services available, exclusive no contact reading, love readings, right? So please check out the description box. And to know more about the prices, please follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting in my stories on a daily basis what the prices are. Apart from that, all my highlights, the prices is mentioned. And if you still want to book a reading, DM me on Instagram handle. If you still want to know the prices, DM me. If you cannot see that in the story or highlights, or you can directly email me also. My Instagram handle is the Moksha Tarot and my email ID is asthasharma842@gmail.com. All these information are mentioned in my description box and bio. Check it out. Book your reading right now. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.